The warning ABS and ESP Inoperative in a Mercedes vehicle is very often accompanied by a ton of other lights, messages and problems. That's because the ABS system gives data to a lot of other vitally important systems, and sometimes you can barely drive when you see this warning, since the car may even brake on its own. Even though the most common culprits of these are broken ABS sensors or even the ABS module, these are not DIY friendly things to diagnose and repair. So before you pay several $100s or pounds for inspections, you may check a couple of things. First of all, make sure all the connections on the battery and also the main ground point are okay. It's not that uncommon that a loose or corroded battery clamp may cause a ton of glitchy codes and messages on the dashboard of a Mercedes car. Then the second thing is to check the 12-volt battery health. I can bet that in about a third of cases when Mercedes owners see the ABS and the ESP Inoperative message, the actual culprit is a low 12-volt battery. First of all, Mercedes ABS pumps and modules are power thirsty, so they will require a stable current over 12 volts. Secondly, a weak battery will drop voltage when you are cranking the engine to 10 or even fewer volts. Now, it may still start the engine, but this voltage drop will set dozens of trouble codes in various control modules, so the battery is certainly one of the possible culprits. You may check it with a load tester, which would be a good idea, or just charge it with an external charger and see if this fixes the issue at least for some time. Because if the problem is in the ABS module or sensor, charging the battery will change nothing. Then if nothing helps, you will need a Mercedes-compatible scanner. Generic code readers will not help you much with the ABS system, but a good scanner or diagnostic software will tell you exactly which sensor to replace, for example, so you may save money on inspections and just tell your mechanic to replace the faulty sensor, which is a quick and cheap job in these cars. Also, the ABS pumps and modules are very reliable in Mercedes vehicles, so they are rarely the culprits. But if the car has over 250,000 miles on it, it's certainly possible that the module is damaged. In this case, you will require professional help to install and register the new module properly.